Alright guys, I'm going to show in this video how you can promote food affiliate products and start making money. And products, you can promote products from Clickbank. So now what you have to do right now, because food it's a really broad category, you have to narrow down and focus on a specific niche like baking, cooking, drinks, beverages, recipes, special diet, or special occasions. Now, select a high quality product that you mm, that you that you like, that you trust, that you read about, that you really do your own research. Or don't just select a product that has a high conversion rate. Uh, just search about that product. All right, look a product that is good that you like, and so on and so forth. And then once you selected that product, you have to start creating uh, food food content about that on for that account. Okay, so if you're promoting the products about food, you can start creating content, or you can also upload other people content on Pinterest, for instance, and you can make sure you give credit, and you can build a Pinterest account, and you just have to share content and just share content that resonates with your target audience. So obviously, if I'm promoting here affiliate product about wood, I'm gonna just post content that resonates with people that are interested in wood content. So now, if you want, you can also create an account like an Instagram page, and just share content related to that, just food content you can share. And then in that description, you can add not your affiliate link. Make sure you add a website, or you can also we use and you can use Google Sites, or you can use this website link tree, and you can add a link here. Now you can add your affiliate link or your website or other links, affiliate links, and then you can just copy this, and then paste it to your social media, your Instagram, your Pinterest, and you can go here to your edit profile, and now here you can add your link tree link, and also I'll keep posting on this Pinterest account to see how it goes. You can subscribe for that. I will update you on this experiment and see, how much money you can make, what's the revenue, and how many views I can get. And just make sure you have the right expectations as well. It's gonna take time to build your. First time I grew my Instagram account. Took me a lot of time. It was really hard because you are at the beginning. You are just starting out, and it's not easy. It's gonna take you a lot of time. Now, to create content, you can create your own content. Obviously, if you're all the products that you're promoting, let's say it's about baking or cooking, make sure you create content about cooking. Especially maybe if you are on YouTube, you can create tutorials about cooking. If you are on on Pinterest, you can create Pinterest with Canva. As you can see, it's really possible with Canva. It's really nice. And if you write here food or cooking, and you can create, even like if you don't want to share other people content, videos or images, and give credit to their content, you like more to share your own content, then it's actually not bad. Actually, it's really good if you want to share your own content, because you can create your own brand. And there's so many templates available on Canva to create these types of images for your business. So you can create with Pinterest. For Pinterest, you can use Canva. And if you want to create videos, you can use also InVideo. I will leave my affiliate link in the description of this video. It really help me if you sign up through my affiliate link. You can start out with a free plan, or with premium plan, which is really important because will give you HD videos exporting and also a lot of premium media for 15 bucks and 180 annually or 30 and yeah. So if you decide to create videos, you can use InVideo or you can use other softwares like CapCut. There are other free ways if you want. And now make sure you also edit your profile. You add when you add your links, you add a description, you add a logo. You can create a logo um, with Canva, logo food, drink logo. All right, it's pretty good Canva for creating content, especially on Pinterest. If you decide to create content about food on your YouTube channel, that's really good as well. You can create tutorials about food and then share your affiliate link in the description of the video. But just it takes time, a lot of time, because you're basically building a brand. You're basically you don't have to show your face. You just have to create good content and engaging content, and then you can share your affiliate link. Depends on what type of product, and don't send people directly to your affiliate links. Once you build your account, your Instagram account, or your YouTube account, or your Pinterest account, depends on how you'd like to grow your followers on which platform. I recommend Pinterest, it's good, or YouTube, but make sure you don't send people directly to your affiliate links because this is not really productive. It's actually less effective and might not yield the best results. All right, so first of all, when you send people directly to your affiliate link, it might come across as spammy or just spammy, all right? And people won't trust you. Like it's better to design to create a landing page. You can create a landing page with. I'm gonna show you right now. And the way to create some landing page, you can do it if you are using, and there's other ways as well, other softwares like this one, get response, and you can click on create an account obviously, and then you can click on landing pages here. And then now let's wait a couple of seconds. So it's the page is loading. And here manage landing the legacy and now create a landing page. I'll use the editor this time, build from scratch, that's what I like to use, and then use this one usually, but there's so many other options here. And then you can just create here a really nice landing page. You can select next step. It's really easy. Really easy to customize this. Now you can add here your text. You can just enter here your product name, a description, and you can generate a headline, a description, a catchy description with ChatGPT. You can write, um, please generate some headlines or catchy titles for a landing page, something like that, and then enter here what are results from ChatGPT right over here, and then you can delete this one. We only want emails, or obviously you can don't even have to add any emails, but if you want to get some emails, that's something you can do. And then you can add here just an image maybe, and you can add an image and click on here to add an image or multiple images, and so you can create your landing page like this one or something more different. You can click on here on affiliate page and you can see exactly what